Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the 15th India-EU summit via video conferencing on Wednesday. The summit is aimed at strengthening the ties between India and the European Union in a number of areas, including trade, defence and investment. Addressing the 15th India-EU summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, "The partnership of India and the European Union is vital for global peace and stability." He added that this reality has become even more vital in today's global situation. The Prime Minister also underscored the need to adopt a long-term strategic perspective on the relations between India and the European Union.
आज हमारे नागरिकों की सेहत और समृद्धि दोनों ही चुनौतियों का सामना कर रहे हैं। रूल्स बेस्ड इंटरनेशनल ऑर्डर पर विभिन्न प्रकार के दबाव है। ऐसे में भारत ईयू पार्टनरशिप आर्थिक पुनर्निर्माण में और एक मानव केंद्रित और मानवता केंद्रित ग्लोबलाइजेशन के निर्माण में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा सकती है।
The Prime Minister said India and the EU share universal values like democracy, pluralism, inclusivity and respect for international institutions. He also spoke of the need to increase economic and strategic cooperation between the two sides in renewable energy and climate change.
क्लाइमेट चेंज जैसे लॉन्ग टर्म चैलेंजेस भी हम दोनों के लिए ही प्राथमिकता है। भारत में रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के उपयोग को बढ़ाने के हमारे प्रयत्नों में हम यूरोप के इन्वेस्टमेंट और टेक्नोलॉजी का आमंत्रण करते हैं।
Welcoming Prime Minister Modi to the summit, European Council President Charles Michel praised India's role in dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. He called for strengthening relations between India and the EU at the political level.
India and the EU are great democracies. We share common values. We also believe that multilateral commitments needs to be boosted and supported to combat global challenges, whether it's stability, security, combating terrorism, and so on. And so, Prime Minister, I also want to I'm not only very happy to see you in this video conference, but also want to take this opportunity to express the wish to really see this partnership with India as a political one covering multiple facets of our relationships.
Prime Minister Modi also invited investments in technology from Europe in India's efforts to increase the use of renewable energy in the country. He hoped India-EU relations will gain momentum through this virtual summit. With inputs from Akhilesh Suman, Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.